Got it. Dow's off 400 points. United Health is apparently responsible for a good deal of that 400-point drop. More on that later. Let's bring in Mike Lee, joining us this morning. You say new highs are a matter of when, not if. Okay, make your case.
Yeah, Stuart, we just had a dramatic rally off a horrible sell-off. And, historically, when that happens, the market's substantially higher, 30, 60, 90, 180 days later. We're seeing that already. And what's interesting about this rally is it's almost entirely retail-driven, with hedge funds missing the move. You're just off the lows of the dollar amount and the gross leverage they have invested towards being long stocks. So they're going to need to play catch up as earnings get better, as the AI story continues to get better, which we see coming with every earnings. And I suspect we'll get something great from NVIDIA next week. Okay,
tell me more and tell me again why you like CoreWeave so much. Everybody on this program seems to be recommending it. What's it got going for it?
Yeah, so Stuart, what they do is they put up data centers for companies to run AI models on. They're, I believe, the sixth largest buyer of NVIDIA GPUs. And there is such a scarcity around the compute or the computing power to run these AI models. And it went public on literally the worst day you could possibly ever go public, 2 days after Liberation Day. And so what you're seeing is kind of a recovery from what should have been a much more successful IPO. But look, this company did $225 million in 23 in terms of revenue, $1.8 billion last year. They're going to do between $5 and $6 billion this year, close to $12 billion next year, maybe more. Whoa. 35% gross margins. It's unbelievable.
Where's it going? $89 now? Where's it going?
I think $150 to 200.
Okay, we like the sound of that. Mike Lee, thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you again later. The bell is ringing. They'll press the button and